Harley from Knowlton North, spending a little time in the stand this afternoon. It started to rain out. It's about putting me to sleep, to be honest with you. I just wanted to show you, I don't know if you can see or not, how far my rifle sticks out of the window. And there's only about 4 inches at the end of it that gets rain because of the overhang. So the foot overhang I put all the way around here basically keeps the rain off the walls. Water never gets in the windows. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video of listening to the rain, and can't quite see it. The pond's about 3/4 of the way back up, which is good after being dry all year. I had a screwed up morning, so I came back out at 11. It's about 1:30, 1:45 now. I'm gonna try to stay right out till dark. I think I'm just gonna sit here a minute and let you enjoy the rain on the roof.